Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 9th of 2020, and I have one of my lemongrass seedlings here. Now, as I was taking them out of the wet paper towels, I was transplanting them into like 6-packs and different things. So this one here is in all by itself. I didn't have anything at the time to put in with it, but it's time to transplant this little seedling here. Slide this out here. So this is my little lemongrass seedling here, and I'm just kind of roughing, getting some of this that it's even. You can see the one root here. Now I'm not, this is the first year I've ever grown this, so I'm not exactly sure how this particular plant grows. So I'm kind of watching it to see, but I'm going to get it transplanted here. Now this is about a 4-inch container here. And I have it filled with my soil here, and I already have my ecoscraps all-purpose plant food mixed in with it, 555, and I'll have a link down in the description for that. So I'm just gently filling in around this here. Oops. Now I don't want to go over the pre-existing root ball here. Down here a little bit. And I have a little tag here for it, label what it is. And I'm going to go ahead and get this watered. Now, if my soil settles, which it probably will, I'll just come and fill back in with a little bit more soil. And I will water this until water runs out the bottom of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and give this some water here. And I'm going to wait till my water runs out the bottom. Now you can see I have a gap there. So I'm just going to fill this in with some more soil, and I'm going to water it again. Let me grab my soil here real quick. There we go. Cool. So, lemongrass plants like their soil to be kept moist, and they do like the sun, and they do like humidity. So as this continues to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show it to you. Now I do have videos on my channel for how I start lemongrass from seed, and I do have some more lemongrass seedlings that are a lot younger than this particular plant here, and I just transplanted those yesterday. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!